especially as we're cooking it with fish, half a lemon juice into here. So, make sure you get the sauce over the top. Nice bit of grilled fish. And all I would do to finish that, a few bits of ripped purple basil, or you could use normal basil, and then the lovely gremolata over the top, and some good olive oil. And that is a great dish. I'll tell you what, Brian, this weather is absolutely mad. 1 minute it's raining, the next minute it's windy, the next minute it's sunny.
Yeah, because the plants are really liking this bit of rain.
Yeah, I bet they are. They have, everything's grown in the last